Hi guys, it's Mike here from KS Bushcraft Down Under. Today I thought I'd rattle you out a quick review of this Yeti 14 ounce Rambler mug. So, built like a proverbial tank. Now for those of you guys that follow my videos would know that my cup of choice, especially if I'm carrying it in my backpack, is this Snow Peak Titanium. So you could buy 3 or 4 of these Yetis for the cost of this cup. Now the reason I like a decent sized cup is this cup has the same volume as this bowl. Now when there's no tables and stuff involved, it's far easier to eat out of a mug than it is a bowl, especially if you've got kids or adults that have had a couple of drinks. Same applies. Now I like to travel with an insulated container of some form, because due to the quality of the places sometimes accommodation I hire, I like to be able to boil up water in my room, and sometimes we don't get kettles. So this little immersion heater, bump in it, I can make me coffee, I can make up simple meals, 2-minute noodles, anything to keep me out of the restaurant. Okay. So it comes with all the usual Yeti type instructions. We'll go through the specs. So in Australia, this sells for $35 Australian. Comes complete with the basic Yeti lid. Now, if you've got the 30 ounce Rambler, see, you've got the Mag Dock lid, the 30 ounce lid will fit this one, which I don't own one. So, good simple construction. Weight 358 plus the lid, so 420 grams as a unit. So quite solid. Their quoted volume is 14 ounces, which maths out at 414 mil. Now I was pleased to see it held more than they said. Brim full, I got 550 millilitres, and with the lid on I got 470 mil. So heaps larger than the quoted volumes. So yeah, as I said before, the 30 ounce Rambler lid will fit. It's 9.5 centimeters tall by 12.7. That includes the handle. Now the handle is really solid, big enough if you're suffering like me from man paws that you can get a few fingers through. My pet grizzle at hotels is supply you 200ml cups with the handles so small that you can't get your fingers through them. So 18.8 stainless, as I mentioned before. Comes in 4 colours: seafoam, black, stainless steel and navy. The river green colour, which I do like, seems to have vanished from the lineup. So I did a quick boiling water test. Predominantly you would be putting boiling water in it. The room at 28 degrees Celsius. Tested it after an hour, it dropped down to 75 degrees Celsius, and after 2 hours it's at 64 degrees. So if you can't get through your hot drink in 2 hours, you might have a problem. So I did a cold water test, because I used to work in an office that had evaporative air conditioning, and I would get a cold drink from the ice machine, and I had to put blotting paper under my cup because it used to sweat something terrible. This won't do that. So after 1 hour, my test water went in at plus 4 degrees Celsius, and after 1 hour it was at plus 6, 2 hours it was at plus 9, and at 3 hours plus 9.5. So it does a great job of keeping a cold drink cold if you want to sit it on your desk or such as. So bang for your buck. It's a seriously good camp cup. I wouldn't carry it if I was ultralight hiking. It's not meant for that. But for car camping, family groups, it's rough, it's tough. If you're feeding kids, they can eat out of this. If you give them a plastic Lexan spoon, it won't be too noisy. All in all, like most of this Rambler range, it's a great mug, it really is. And versatile. Mug, bowl, whatever you want to use it for. The only thing you can't do, of course, is you cannot put it on heat. It's double walled, it'll explode. But providing you've got a pot full of boiling water on the fire, it'll be fine. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.